fantasy managers, welcome to another episode of FPL Buzz. So, game week 10 was pretty tough to take because we scored only 41 points. Our team didn't do pretty good. So, if you check our team performance, Schmeichel blanked again, and then only Rudiger gave us the clean sheet with 6 points. Our midfielder did decently good. Only Gray and Son blanked, and our strikers blanked again. So both the transfer which we made in a previous episode, that is Son and Jesus, both blanked. But then the fixtures are pretty good. The upcoming fixtures are pretty good for Son and Kane, so we're hoping to get points from them. So let's jump on to the transfer section and let's see what transfer we can do for the game week 11. We will be making changes maybe later on for the Schmeichel, but let's hold him for maybe a couple of game week. So the defense is pretty much set. So if we see the midfielder section, Gray, the fixtures are pretty tough for Gray. The Everton fixtures are not pretty kind. So let's bring Gallagher in place of Gray because the fixtures are pretty good for Gallagher and Crystal Palace. For the striker, I know we have to take a hit again, so we have to replace Maupay, and then let's bring Tony because we have a pretty decent fixtures coming on, and then Brentford will be facing Norwich at home, so we have to bring Tony. Let's hope that Tony scores against Norwich. So I think these are the only transfer which we should be making for this game week. I know it's a hit, but then we have to take this hit because we have to get some points with this transfer. So let's confirm the transfer. So here we are. Let's pick the team for game week 11. So Schmeichel, I think Sanchez have a better fixture. It's a home fixture against Newcastle, so Sanchez should be starting in our team. And so it's pretty tough to play Man City defense in Manchester Derby, so I think Duffy should replace Cancelo, and Cody, we should replace him with Dyer because Antonio Conte is now the new Tottenham manager. So if we see his past record, the defense in Conte's team is pretty solid, so let's hope Tottenham to make a clean sheet. So the midfielders have a very decent fixture except Benrahma because he'll be facing Liverpool at home, so we should replace him with Tony, and let's give Antonio a chance to play against Liverpool because you know what he has done in this season with West Ham. So, and let's hope Manchester United to concede a goal because they have been conceding goals in every match. So let's hope Jesus to give us some return. So in the bench, Cancelo should be our second substitute, and then Cody, and first substitute should be Benrahma. So for the captain, let's break the chain and let's select Tony as our captain and Salah as vice captain. This is a big risk which we are taking, but then we have to do something extraordinary and not selecting Salah as our captain. So let's save our team. So this is the final team for game week 11. Let's hope Tony to score a couple of goals and give us the return. At least Tony should be scoring more goals than Salah in this fixture, in this game week. So let's hope for the best. Thank you guys for watching this video. Do hit that like button and share your views in the comment section and subscribe to our channel FPL Buzz. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Cheers.